Alright guys, JHM here. I've been hearing a lot about test pipes or catted pipes on the 3.0T and 4.2. A lot of shops are charging people to either remove the subframe or remove the trans. We here at JHM just wanted to show you guys real quick a method that we've used multiple times. It works great. We've never heard anything doing it this way. But as you can see right here, we've simply attached a ratchet strap to the transmission, and we are pulling towards the driver's side. The main concern is the passenger side downpipe. The cat is pretty large. We're trying to get it past the transmission here. And we've given ourselves anywhere from another ½ inch to inch clearance on this side. So if you look coming down this way, all I did was attach it to the lift in a safe spot. It doesn't require a lot of force. I mean, it looks tight, but we don't have a lot of force on it. We're just basically pushing the tail over. That way we can get the test pipe or down pipe out.